Hello everyone, and welcome to this video about a critically important issue. Recently, the chairman and CEO of Pfizer, Albert Bourla, signed an industry letter in support of the Food and Drug Administration's authority to regulate drugs. This was in response to a federal judge in Texas suspending the FDA's approval of the abortion pill mifepristone.N/N. In the letter, more than 200 pharmaceutical company executives described their concern that the ruling could set a precedent for diminishing the FDA's authority over drug approvals. They warned that such uncertainty would reduce the incentive for investing in new drugs, and endanger innovation in the industry. In fact, Pfizer is the first major pharmaceutical company to publicly respond to the ruling. N/N. The ruling comes from Judge Matthew Kaczmarek, who sided with an anti-abortion group, and argued that the FDA rushed its approval process and violated federal standards. The executives in the industry letter acknowledged that the FDA's drug development and approval process is not perfect, but argued that mifepristone has been proven by decades of data to be safer than Tylenol, nearly all antibiotics and insulin. Furthermore, they added that since its approval in 2000, medication abortion has become the most accessible and preferred method for terminating a pregnancy in the U.S. N/N. Unfortunately, the decision by Judge Kaczmarek further complicates the issue, as it is in conflict with a ruling by a federal judge in Washington state. This creates a complex legal standoff that could possibly reach the Supreme Court. N/N. In this video, we shall discuss the context of the current situation and the implications of the ruling. We will begin by looking at the consequences of the Texas ruling, and then examine why the FDA approved mifepristone. We will then discuss the industry reaction and its implications for the future of drug regulation. Finally, we will explain the dueling rulings, and their consequences for the matter. N/N. We hope that you will come away from this video with a greater understanding of the issue, and obtain insight into the complexity and importance of drug patents. So stay tuned, and buckle up for an interesting, as well as important, ride.